Welcome children. Next exercise 2.3 ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கோம் நம்ம 2.2 போட தெரியும் அப்படின்னாவே 2.3 ஈஸியா போடலாம். 2.2ல வந்து மாடுலஸ் சைன் இருந்தது, இங்க மாடுலஸ் சைன் இல்லாம இருக்கு. இன்இக்வாலிட்டிஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க வித்தவுட் மாடுலஸ் சைன். அங்க மாடுலஸ் சைனை ரிமூவ் பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். இங்க மாடுலஸ் சைனே இல்லைன்னு வச்சுங்களேன், அது ரொம்ப ஈஸியான சம், அவ்வளவுதான், வேற ஒண்ணுமே இல்லை. ஓகே, listen. Represent the following inequalities in the interval notation. Interval notationல இத இது பண்ணிருக்காங்க. We know the answer. இது ஒரு வகையான solution. Interval notation, that is one solution. And line number lineல denote பண்றது ஒரு number line. Okay. எப்பலாம் உங்களுக்கு இந்த interval notation number line போட்டீங்கன்னா வச்சுக்கோங்க, உங்களுக்கு ஈஸியா நம்ம வந்து intervalல எழுதிடலாம். அப்ப interval நம்மளுக்கு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணணும் இல்ல தப்பு இல்லாம எழுதணும்ன்றதுக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னாக்க இந்த number line தான் வந்து பேசிக். இந்த number line நம்மளுக்கு அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு அப்படின்னாக்க then it will be very easy. See here, x is greater than minus 1. X is greater than or equal to minus 1. அப்படின்னாக்கா see அந்த நம்பர் லைன் -1, இங்க 4 எடுத்திருக்கேன். greater than -1. x is greater than -1 இந்த பக்கம் நமக்கு ரைட் சைடுல இருக்கும். x is greater than -1னாக்க it will be on the right side of -1, right? Okay, right side of -1னாக்க எது வரும் நம்மளுக்கு? Okay, just I'll mark like this. Understood? Highlight பண்றேன். நம்ம -1 அப்படின்னாக்க including -1, அதாவது இந்த இதுல இருந்து இந்த பக்கம் போயிட்டு இருக்கும். இதுதான் வந்து -1, greater than -1, including 1, right? Including 1 அப்படின்னாக்க this one, that is the point -1 must be included. Just I'll make this dark. -1 is included in the answer, right? Next is what? X is less than 4. X is less than 4 அப்படின்னாக்க see which is x is less than 4 on the left side of x I must take. X is less than 4 னா பாருங்க, இந்த பாயிண்ட் x is less than 4. 4 விட வந்து லெஸ்ஸரா இருக்கு, ரைட்? இந்த பக்கம் போயிட்டே இருக்கும். less than 4. excluding less than, strictly less than 4 அப்படின்னாக்க equal sign இல்ல அப்படின்னாக்க then I have to exclude this point. அங்க include பண்ணிருக்கோம், இங்க exclude பண்ணிருக்கோம், ரைட்? மார்க் பண்ணிருச்சு. இப்போ see how to write the answer, that's very important. See how to write the answer. See இந்த வேர்டு தான் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். and ஒரு கொஸ்டின்ல and கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, or கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. and அப்படின்னா நம்ம ஏற்கனவே படிச்சிருப்போம், 10th கூட படிச்சிருப்போம். a intersection b. What is mean by a intersection b? That is x such that x belongs to a and x belongs to b. This is the definition for a intersection b. x belongs to a and x belongs to b. and அப்படின்னாக்க which is common for both a and b. அதே மாதிரி a union b அப்படின்னாக்க the notation is what? x such that x belongs to a or x belongs to b. This is the definition for a intersection b and a union b. We must recall this one. Already we know this definition. What we have studied in 9th and 10th standard, the same thing. and அப்படின்னாக்க common portion, யூனியன் ஆர் அப்படின்னாக்கா ரெண்டு பொசிஷன் எடுத்துக்கணும், இது இல்லாட்டி அது ஏதாவது ஒன்று. ஓகே, இங்க see what is the question? The first question, காமன் போர்ஷன். and அப்படின்னது காமன் போர்ஷன், அதாவது இந்த எல்லோ இருக்கு பாருங்க, இதுக்கும் காமன் போர்ஷன், அதை வந்து இன்டர்வல்ல இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம படம் போட்டுட்டோம் அப்படின்னாக்கா then writing the interval is what? very easier. See how to write now interval. How the interval is what? x belongs to. Therefore the answer is what? Just one line answer. x belongs to. See இதுல லோயர் பாயிண்ட் எது? காமன்ல -1. whether -1 is included? yes, -1 வந்து காமனா இருக்கு, ப்ளூ ரீஜன்லயும் இருக்கு, yellow ரீஜன்ல இருக்கு. then I should write what? closed bracket -1 until what? 4 is included, 4 is not included. I have put the circle here. Therefore -1, 4. This is the answer, right? I think you understood this one, right? Okay, now in the same way we can do the next sum. See the next sum now. Now x is second sum. x is less than 5, less than or equal to 5, less than or equal to 5 அப்படின்னாக்க 5 விட lesser அப்படின்னாக்க -infinity. அப்போ இங்க இருந்து நான் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கலாம் including 5, right? அப்போ இங்க எடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னாக்க just what? 5. இப்படியே I can take up to what? 5 including 5. நான் equal to இருக்குல்ல, அப்போ 5 must be what? darkened. The point, the real number or the point 5 must be what? darkened here, right? Okay, next, x is greater than -3. What is by greater than or equal to -3? Take this point -3, include and take on the right side of what? -3. take on the right side of minus 3. Minus 3 ஓட right side ல எடுத்துக்கணும் நம்ம. அப்ப right side ல எடுத்தோம் அப்படின்னாக்கா what will get here? That is from here I will be getting this side. It goes up to infinity. Minus 3 விட greater அவ்வளவுதான். All these regions I can include. Okay. Now common region. Sorry. See what is in between this one we have phrase. And means what? Again what I told you earlier. And means what? The common portion between these two. Therefore the common portion between these two is what? See marked here. This here yellow and blue. Common portion is what comes into our green. Here also same. This yellow and blue. The common portion comes what? In green color. Okay. Right? Okay. Now we can write easily. Therefore x belongs to what is the interval here? Minus 3 is included, therefore minus 3. Whether 5 is included? Yes, 5 is also included. Therefore the closed bracket 5. Therefore minus 3 to 5. Right? Yes. Next, third question. X is less than minus 1 or x is greater than what? 3. X is greater than x is less than minus 1. Less than minus 1. Less than minus 1 means what? On the left side of minus 1. On the left side of minus 1. This is here. Right? Yeah, left side of minus 1. X is less than minus 1. Or x is less than minus 1. X is less than 3. X is here less than minus 1 means what? 1 is not included. Minus 1 is not included. Therefore, first you make the circle here at minus 1. Without minus 1, right? Okay. Next, x is less than 3. X is less than 3 means which region? This region. X is less than 3, right? This one. Less than 3, it goes till infinity, minus infinity, less than 3. Now see here, what is the definition? R. R means what? Both must be included. That is the yellow portion and also the blue color. Therefore, what will be the answer now? See, union means R means union. Therefore, both. Here and means what? The common portion. Therefore, whatever the shaded portion, everything to be written here. Therefore, how can I write here? See here, x belongs to, this is x belongs to, left extreme point is what? Minus infinity. Minus must be, infinity must be at always in the open interval, minus infinity. To what is this point? 3. Whether 3 is included? 3 is not included. Therefore, I can put the sign here. Therefore, minus 3 to 1. Then we have a doubt. What about minus 1? Minus 1 is also not there. Okay, minus 1 is not there in the yellow. But when we shade this blue color, when I said less than 3, see minus 1 will be what? Shaded by what? Blue color. Right? Can you follow? Minus 1, less than minus 1. This yellow color will be what? Less than minus 1. But x is less than 3 means what? From less than 3 means what? From 3 to what? Infinity. Therefore, when we shade from 3, the blue color will what? This one. Therefore, we have to take what? Both the colors. Therefore, minus infinity to what? 3 I should take, since both are what? Strictly less. Here it is what? Open interval. Right? Okay. Now, the next one. Minus 2x is greater than 0. And 3x minus 4 is what? Less than 1. Okay. Minus 2x is greater than 0 or 3x minus 4 is what? Less than 1. This is the next question. Here x value is not given, minus 2x. Therefore, this to be what? Solved. We have to find the value of x. Then I can go for what? Finding the interval. Right? Okay. Now see here, what will get? Minus 2x is greater than 0 means, first we must change the sign. Negative means what will get? 2x. 2x. Whenever we change the sign, I will be getting what? The inequality get reversed. 2x is what? Less than 0. Or here 3x is less than 11. 4 you take to that side, that is plus 4. Here when 2x is what? Less than 0, divide by what? 2. Therefore x is 0 by 2. What is 0 by 2? Anything by 0 is what? 0. Or here I will be getting what? 3x is what? I will be getting what? 15. Therefore x is what? Less than 15. Bring this 3 this side. 15 by what? 3. Right? Therefore x is less than 15 by 3 means how it could be written? Therefore x is less than 0 or x will be less than 5. X will be what? Less than 15 by 3. If I divide, I will be getting what? Therefore x is less than 0 and x is less than 5. Therefore here R means what? We have to take always x is less than, we can write in the number line, or directly also we can write x is less than 0, x is less than 5 means what? X we have to take what? Less than 5 is the answer. Therefore x belongs to minus infinity to what? 5 is not included. Suppose if you cannot write directly, write the number line, otherwise I give a note for all this sum without doing the number line how to do this one. But I think this will be, the number line will be what? Easier for you always. Therefore better you try by what? Number line, that will not commit what? Any mistake in the number line. See how we are getting the answer. This I wrote directly. Suppose if we cannot follow, just I will show how we are getting this one. See here, less 0 is what? Here, and 5 will be what? Somewhere here, and less than 0, excluding 0, x is what? Not included. Less than 0, what is by less than 0? That is on the left side of what? 0. From here I will take this one. This is less than 0, right? Here we have what? Infinity, minus infinity, right? Next this one is what? X is less than 5, excluding what? 5. Excluding 5 means I can leave this one, that is 5 can be deleted from here, this one. But x is less than 5. Less than 5 means this can be taken, less than 5. Therefore from here I can start and I can take full this one. Therefore here what is the answer now? See, x is what? This point, what is this left extreme? Left extreme is nothing but what? Minus infinity. This is what? Plus infinity, right? Therefore minus infinity to, here what is the r? That's very important. And means we have to take the common portion. Here we have what? R, minus infinity to either yellow or green or blue, all the colors. Therefore minus infinity to what? 5. 5 is what? Not included. Therefore minus infinity to what? 5, right? Okay, this is a method to write the given solution in terms of what? The interval. Therefore interval, this will be what? Very easier to write. Yes. Okay, thank you children.